Hi friends, this is Anand. Today I just came up with something interesting I want to share with you. This is regarding a workshop that I attended this last weekend. Today is 30th September, so which is Monday. Saturday, Sunday I have attended a workshop in IIT Hyderabad campus. The workshop was conducted by Techobytes in collaboration with Thinkers Lab of IIT Hyderabad. So it was a great opportunity attending that workshop. I have specifically attended a Generative AI workshop to learn some of the LLM concepts and generative AI concepts. Let me just show you. See, these are all the projects, right? You can see the date also. These are all the projects that we have worked on as part of the workshop. Let me just show you some of the projects that we have developed. It is just for 2 days, right? So we have developed in some time. Let me open command prompt. For all these things, we have used Python and we have created a separate environment, virtual environment. So virtual environment is something that you can create in Python to isolate projects so that each project can have its own dependencies, right? If you want to maintain dependencies separately for each project, because one project may be web development based, one another project may be data science based, and you may need different set of libraries and packages. If you want to isolate, virtual environment is something that you need to create. If you are not aware of these concepts or if you want to learn Python, just join my workshop at Vidya Naipunya to learn Python. But let me just show you. Um, Let me just redirect to the directory. And you can create a Python virtual environment, or if you have Anaconda installed, you can create a Anaconda virtual environment also. So to see the list of environments that are available in Anaconda, you can just run this env list command. Or if you have, see, once you install Anaconda, you will also get Navigator, right? Anaconda Navigator, which is this GUI application, graphical user interface, where you can also see the list of environments. So this is one environment that we have created. Let me just activate that one. Conda, activate the environment name. You can give any name. So I have just given this name, page detection environment. Okay. So now I am in the virtual environment, as you can see here, right? And let me run the program. You see, I have this. These are the files that are there in the directory. I just want to run Python face detection. So this will try to detect my face, right? It will make use of the video. So let me stop the video from the recording so that the program can use the camera. So now let me run the program. Sorry, I just have to write Python face detect, right? To run the program and see what happens. This is how it is actually bounding a rectangle, bounded rectangle. So where it is not showing my face. Let me just show you the code also. Very simple code. If I go to face detection, open with Notepad, for example. So we are using this OpenCV. That is what you need to install, which is a computer vision package. And then we are using a pre-trained model for face detection. CV2, it is part of the library anyway. And you are capturing the video stream and then reading the video stream using that model and then creating a grayscale image. And then once you detect the image, you are creating a rectangle around the face, right? So for example, if I change this one to instead of -1, which is filling the rectangle, you can also change the RGB colors if you want a different color. Let me just save this and then let me run it again. I have just removed that -1. Let me stop it. Let me run it again. So it will open again. Now you can see my face, right? It is not filling that rectangle. So this is one project that we have created. And then we have also created other projects, as you can see here. Bot, AWS bot, and then something related to AWS, right? Which is a We have chatbot also. Let me just go and run that program. Cd dot EDAWS. And what are the projects? So here you can see I have AWS bot and other things. Bot is a sample application that we developed where you can type in, like in the case of ChatGPT or WhatsApp, if you can type in. But in case of, like in the case of ChatGPT, you will get a response from the large language model. So here LLMs are being used. Let me run a program which was more interesting for me. Let me run that main.py. So see what happens. Okay, let me start the video also. I know that I stopped that program. I can use my camera. Okay. What is your name? See, it is listening.
I'm Llama, an AI assistant developed by Meta AI that can understand and respond to human input in a conversational manner.
What is the main character in Ramayana?
The main character in Ramayana is Rama, the prince of Ayodhya and an incarnation of Lord Vishnu.
Listening. Tell me some of the states in the United States of America.
Here are 10 states in the United States: California, Texas, Florida, New York, Illinois, Ohio, Georgia, North Carolina, Michigan, and Pennsylvania.
Great. Take care. Bye-bye.
You're welcome. It was nice chatting with you. Have a great day and take care.
Nice, right? So that is how you can run the program, but you don't have to type in, as you can see, right? You can just speak to the program and the program would respond. And as you can see, I was able to ask various questions, different types of questions, because behind the scenes, we are using the large language model. So let me just show you that one also. Okay, this was my website. I will log into AWS console. We are using one of the AWS generative AI service called Bedrock. So that is the generative AI service available in AWS. So let me just let me log in first. I will open the Bedrock service. Okay. See, as you can see, this is generative AI applications, right? With a lot of foundation models that are available. If you go to overview, you can see these are all the LLMs that are available via this Amazon Bedrock, which is a great service. And you will find a lot of examples also available. And in fact, this is what we have used. The application that I have shown you just now, we did not write a single line of code. Just believe me. Okay, we did not write anything. We just did a copy and paste and here and there some setups. And in just 10 minutes, the application was ready where you can speak and it will answer, right? Various types of questions, as you can see. On the left-hand side, if you see, there is something called model access, so which will show a lot of models. You have to request the models. So we have used Llama from Meta. So I have accessed, I have requested access and access is granted, as you can see. So this is what we are using. And the code is also available, right? If I go to examples, or just go to overview and then go to Llama. And then here examples are available. If you click on view all meta examples, it will show different examples. You can just click here and on the right hand side, you can see the code, sample code that is available. So we have used narrative writing. And if you come down, you can see the Python code. All we have done is just copy and paste of this code and updated a little bit, right? Because model ID is different because whatever the model that I have enabled, that is what you need to update. And similarly, user input is directly given here, right? If you see the user message is hard coded. but we don't want to hard code the user message, right? We want to listen. So this is where we have made some minor changes to the code. But other than that, it is just a direct code copy, right, that we have done. If I go to AWS, you can see the text to speech, speech to text, different types of things that we have used, the libraries and packages. So, but behind the scene, this is using the Llama model from Meta. And that Llama model is provided by the Amazon Bedrock service, which will generate the tokens based on the request, and then you will be charged accordingly. Since there is a free tier available for me to play with, so right now I don't have to pay anything, but if I continue to use this model for a long time, uh, I will obviously incur some charges. So this was something interesting, and I was happy because in the whole class only two guys, I think, just except me, only one or two more guys were able to do it because it is little advanced concept, and we had almost 90 plus students attending this workshop. So this was handled by trainer Aditya, who is a corporate uh, professional who came from Bangalore. So this was a great experience for me. I just want to show you what we have done. And then, yeah, you can attend as well, right? These IIT Hyderabad workshops. You can actually go to Techobytes, and then if you subscribe to them from Facebook and all, you can see the workshops and you can attend these workshops physically in IIT campuses. So this is my website, and I do have these different types of workshop that I offer. So if you guys are interested in any of these things, you can feel free to reach out to me. So thank you so much for the opportunity. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.